Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to create your very first course and start your e-learning business, then this is the right place for you. Today I am going to show you how to create a course on LearnWorld. At first, if you click on the create course, then you will see this option. From here you can name the course. We'll use this for our course e-commerce success. And we can write description here and click continue. We have to upload the cover image. This is the cover image and click continue. Okay, there are 5 options: draft, free, paid, private, and coming soon. And we are going to choose the paid option. Draft option is if you are just starting and only adding the content, but not going to publish the course now. And free course is open for everyone. Paid course is, as you know, you can earn from paid course, and private course will be hidden and only by using private link or by direct checkout or admin can enroll user into the private course, but private course is not accessible publicly to purchase. And coming soon, we'll have an indication about the course will be coming very soon. Right now we'll use the paid course option. Click the continue and we can add the price. Like if we set the price $100 and we are providing discount, and currently the price is $80. And now you will see multiple option, like we can import the course or we can upload our file or we can generate the course content by using AI. We can select which option we need, like live session, certificate, like this number of section. We need 5 section and then click generate. By using AI, we don't have to create a section manually, but after AI created the section, we can easily update the section like this. Here you can see AI already created the section. Certificate is showing also. And if you see everything is looks good, then we can click on the insert or we can suggest new activity. Here you can see the quiz option is also added. We can click on the insert button and everything is showing here. Now, if you see, this is just the text. If you click here, we have to upload the video or we can share the demo video link here. Upload the video, as we don't have any video uploaded, so nothing is showing here, but as soon as you upload the video, that will show up here. Okay, and then we can add quiz from here. This is the option to add quizzes. We can add or import quiz, like we can choose this option. Okay, from here you can edit the content. Like we can add and based. We can select the right answer easily. Let me first add all the question here. Okay, now the right answer is option C. So we can select this one. Then when user attends the quiz, if they select this one, then system will show that their answer is right. We can add more quiz. There are lots of quiz option, and this is a second quiz which is true false. And here again select the right answer. Click save. Go back to the course. You can see two questions showing. Like this, we can add other element also. We can add books from here, PDF book from here. We can start from scratch or build the ebook by using AI, or we can upload the book. Like this, we can do lots more with the course. And from here, we can select the course layout. This is the course layout. We can select different layout like this. Also, we can update this. Now, let me share the general section. We can add the author name, avatar, and we can control the notification. And for access, you can see all those options are showing here also. And this is for after purchase navigation. So after anyone purchase the course, they will send automatically to the course description page. We can switch to course player page. And this is for pricing. We can update pricing for here. This is user progress. This is the course player. You can select different course player and click save. And this is the video library. Previously, as I said, we have to upload the video to show them on the course. At first we have to upload those video here. Then if we click setting, we can see those video here. And this is for automation. We can do lots of automation. We can share more detail about this in future. And that's it for today. Thank you very much.